I've wanted to put the 100th monkey in a book for 10 years. Well, now I've done something better. Take your audiences on a journey. Odyssey is a beautiful high-gloss travel magazine designed by a professional graphic designer, my daughter Jules, that is secretly gimmicked with 10 powerful effects. Speechless, where you take away someone's ability to read, is built right into the ads. There's an effect where a spectator gets more and more drunk just by reading the names of drinks.
That's super cool. That was awesome.
There's a book test that I think sets a new bar for realism. The article on Tokyo is really an article on Tokyo. The articles on Ibiza, Paris, and living on a boat are really on those topics.
You got one?
I got one.
All right. Yeah, there it is. Just for you. Unbelievable.
Why don't you choose one of those words? Choose one of those words and commit it to
In
memory.
another effect, you say you predicted a freely thought of word and remove a bag of Scrabble tiles.
Reach in there, pull out some letters, drop them on the table.
Then you really do predict it.
D.
And I've embedded one of my favorite earlier effects, unhypnotized, that always packs an emotional wallop.